Joel here with our first ever tech unboxing. Hey, what's up fellow nerd junkies? Today we're going to be checking out the Wyze Thermostat. It's actually one of their latest products. To some people it might be a surprise because they started off with cameras. Not technically what you would call security cameras. I don't think they were ready to boast that yet, but they do work as security cameras. One thing about my home is that I've set it up so that way Wyze is at the center of the entire ecosystem. So I was really impressed with their products, their cameras, their motion sensors, as well as their application. So here you see the sticker that comes with early adopters of the thermostat. A quick start guide. This is the wall cover. Here is the adapter, the wall adapter. This is the labels for your C-wire adapter, as well as your current thermostat, so that way you can align them up with your cables. And then this is the thermostat itself, which will connect to the wall cover and the back panel. So it seems like those three parts connect to each other: the thermostat, the back panel, and then the back panel to the wall cover. That way it's one seamless piece and you can pull them off, but also align all the cables properly. Here's where you get the C-wire adapter with the cables. As you can see, the back panel of the C-wire adapter is also magnetic, so you can just put it on the panel of your air conditioning unit and it will just stick to it, which I thought was a really smart idea. That way you don't have to do double-sided tape or something sticky like that. And then you also get a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, 2 screws, and drywall anchors. And again, here's the thermostat, and I'm going to put it right next to a box cutter just so that way you can have a reference of the size. It's really not that big. If you take a look at the front of the box, it's almost actual size to the front of the box image. Now I'm going to put all this stuff together. Here is the back panel with the wall cover, the thermostat. And here's your C-wire adapter with the cables, and your screws and anchors, Phillips and flathead screwdriver, and your quick start guide. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and check out all our other content. Thanks for watching. See you later.